Pat here from Full Drive Hardware. Today we're going to get into installing some JK things where customer already has a rigid 50-inch radiance light in the pods. So he was looking for a little bit more lighting to this thing because that's what JK owners do. And we're going to go with the Vision X Tantrum, strobe, and rock lights. These are also blue to match the rigids, and I'm going to show you how to install them. So let's get to it. This kit includes light control module, power source, 8 pod lights, and 3M double-sided tape to mount the lights. Select locations where you'd like the lights to be mounted. Be sure to clean the area before you mount the light to avoid any mounting problems. Mount the light in the desired location using the 3M double-sided tape, and if the location allows you to, secure it with the provided screws. If you have trouble with the 3M double-sided tape, try and use an adhesive to securely mount the light. Neatly run the wires to a central location inside the cab of the vehicle, making sure the wires are clear of the exhaust or anything else that could damage the wires. In this case, I decided to run the wires up the rear floor through one of the drain plug holes. Cut the drain plug to allow the wires to freely pass through. I decided to mount the light control module and power source inside the center console. In order to run the wires from the lights to the control module, I needed to drill a hole in the bottom of the center console. Connect the lights to the control module. Now is a good time to test the lights before you tie everything up. Neatly tie up the excess wire. A good place to conceal it is underneath the carpet of the front seat. Plug in the power source and conceal it with the factory rubber mat. Be sure to secure the wires with zip ties. Alright guys, there you have it. Very easy install. Take you about 2 hours to do once you get all the wires ran and neatly tied up and hidden. But you have a couple different features. You have the 2 main ones. You have the strobe, and then you also have solid. We ran a total of 8 lights. We did one under the front bumper, each of the wheel wells, underneath each rocker, and one underneath the rear. So if you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us, 800-333-5535, or check us out online.